Hey guys, welcome back to Pete's Garage. In this episode, we're going to be talking about how to flush your motor. Now we're going to be doing this on a 50 horsepower Tohatsu. If you've got a 40 or a 60, stay tuned. These steps will work for you. If you don't have a 40, 50, or 60, then you need to check your owner's manual on how to flush your motor. You should be flushing your motor every time you get done on the water. All right, there are two ways to flush your outboard. You can use the built-in freshwater flushing system, or you can use a flushing device. Regardless of which way you choose, you need a freshwater hose. Just a standard 3/4 inch NFT connection freshwater hose. We're gonna do the internal freshwater flushing system. This is something that you can do if like your boat's on a lift over the water, or just you don't have a way of running earmuffs to your motor. First thing you're gonna do is remove the safety lanyard. You remove the flush port, which is located on the port side of the motor. Be sure not to lose this, and if you do lose it, you should not run your motor until you get a new one. Next, we're gonna take our garden hose and we are going to hook it into the motor. Now we're going to turn the water on and we're going to let the water run for 3 to 5 minutes. After 3 to 5 minutes, we're going to shut the water off. We're going to disconnect our water hose. Put our flush port cap back in place. Make sure that it is good and tight and secure. And we're going to reattach our safety lanyard. If you choose to use a flushing device, the manual recommends that you remove the propeller as well. All right, to remove the propeller, we did a whole video on changing out the propeller, so check that video out. It's gonna show you how to remove the propeller. All right, once you have the propeller removed, you're gonna attach the flushing device to the water hose. Then you're gonna install the flushing device to the outboard lower unit, being sure to cover the water intake ports. Next, you're gonna turn on the water source. Be sure not to turn it up too high so that the pressure causes the flushing device to come off the motor. After that, you're going to start the outboard, let it run for 3 to 5 minutes, allowing the thermostat to open. It is recommended to keep it in neutral and at idle during this process. Once the 3 to 5 minutes is passed, you can turn off the engine, turn off the water, remove the flushing device, and reinstall the propeller. Hope that helped you out. Thanks for following along in this maintenance series, and thanks for stopping by Pete's Garage.